All right, let's talk about carbon dioxide and how it finds its way back into the air. You might think that once plants grab that CO2 during photosynthesis, it's gone for good. But actually, a lot of that carbon dioxide ends up right back where it started. Here's how it works. When plants' animals respire, that's just a fancy word for breathing and using energy. They take in oxygen breakdown glucose, which is a type of sugar. The result? Carbon dioxide and water. That's the same reaction happening inside your cells every time you breathe out. So every breath you take is putting a little bit of carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. And it's not just us. All living things respire, including plants. Plants take in CO2 during the day. At night, when there's no sunlight for photosynthesis, they give out carbon dioxide, just like we do. Then there are decomposers, fungi, and bacteria. They break down dead plants, dead animals. They're also respiring, releasing even more carbon dioxide into the air. Imagine a flow diagram. Carbon dioxide moving from the air into plants, then back out again through animals, plants at night, decomposers. It's a constant cycle. Carbon dioxide in, carbon dioxide out. Next time you take a breath, or see a pile of leaves breaking down in the yard, remember, you're looking at a tiny part of this giant carbon cycle in action.
What is the symbol for carbon? C. Co. Ca. Cr. What form of carbon is in pencils? Diamond. Charcoal. Coal. Graphite. Which is a carbon compound? Oxygen. Carbon dioxide. Nitrogen. Water. What do plants use in photosynthesis? Carbon monoxide. Methane. Ethane. Carbon dioxide. What do decomposers release? Oxygen. Nitrogen. Carbon dioxide. Hydrogen. What is diamond made of? Carbon. Iron. Lead. Silicon. What is respiration's main product? Oxygen. Nitrogen. Hydrogen. Carbon dioxide. What do animals need from plants? Proteins. Water. Nitrogen. Oxygen. What do plants release at night? Oxygen. Nitrogen. Hydrogen. Carbon dioxide. What is glucose used for? Respiration. Fermentation. Photosynthesis. Digestion. What do decomposers break down? Minerals. Water. Waste products. Oxygen. What is a non-metal element? Carbon. Copper. Gold. Iron. What do plants convert into carbohydrates? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. What do animals exhale? Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. What is the respiration equation? Glucose plus oxygen, carbon plus oxygen, nitrogen plus oxygen, water plus oxygen. What is a form of carbon? Graphite, iron, lead, silicon. What do plants need for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. What is a carbon compound in air? Carbon dioxide, ethane, propane, methane. What do decomposers release into air? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. What do plants make from carbon dioxide? Carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins.